Hi, I'm Barry with ICANN. Today we're going to talk about calibrating your VX7 or VX9 monitor. And in doing so, you're going to use the blue gun or blue only feature on the monitor itself. What that does is it separates the blue from the rest of the colors on the monitor so you can set the monitor up correctly. For our purposes today, we've actually assigned the blue only to F1 so that we can just turn it on. You can assign pretty much anything you want to either one of the function keys. Now, to get started, you have to have color bars into the monitor, and by doing so you can either have that come from a camera or you can actually point the camera at a color bar chart. Let's talk a little bit about setting up your monitor. Now on the ICANN VX7 or VX9 we have 4 separate buttons to help you set this up. We have the brightness, contrast, chroma, and tint. And you're going to use all 4 of these buttons to set it up correctly so you get the proper color calibration from your monitor. Let's start with brightness, which is really your black level. Now, to the right and down at the bottom here, there are 3 small bars. From left to right, there's blacker than black, black, and slightly gray. In those 3 bars, you're going to set up the brightness by pushing it in the monitor so that you can only really see the slightly gray. Now you've set your black level. Let's talk a little bit about contrast and tint, or sometimes known as phase. With contrast, this button right here, you're basically adjusting the monitor up or down so that it is pleasing to your eye as the operator or to a director or producer if they're using that monitor as well. Now, with tint, sometimes known as phase, you're making adjustments so that the middle 2 bars here are aligned or look roughly the same. This bar needs to adjust with this small block. This bar adjusts to match this small block. You're going to make the adjustments so that each block and bar match up. Let's talk a little bit about chroma. On the chroma button, right here, you're going to adjust up or down with the bars that you have at either end of the monitor. This bar corresponds with this small block from left to right, and then vice versa. This bar corresponds with this small block on the other end. The goal here is to adjust your chroma so that they semi-match. Once you're finished and all of your settings are set up to your liking, you're going to turn off the blue, go back to your original color bars, and you're ready to start shooting. If you have any more questions or anything else as far as information that you need, you can check us out at www.icanncorp.com. Thanks for stopping by.